Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate code snippets from comments in GitHub Copilot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to first of all go and log in into your GitHub Copilot. Once you have simply logged in into your GitHub Copilot can generate code snippets from comment using the command as natural language as prompts. So the first thing is to simply write a descriptive comment. Begin by writing a comment in your code creator that clearly describes the functionality you want Copilot to generate. After this, you can simply move to a new line, and once you have moved to a new line, you can observe Copilot suggestions. Once this is also done, Copilot will then analyze your comment and the surrounding code and offer suggestions inline. After this is done, you can then simply accept the suggestion if it is feasible. So this is how GitHub will generate code snippets from comments. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.